Okay, so before we start, I asked you this question, right? Have you done the revision? Have you completed the questions?
Yeah, the
You did, right? Okay, you tried, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so you must have tried all the questions. There are how many questions in all?
15.
15. Have you tried all 15?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. All right. So before we go into the questions, right? Maybe you can share with me, are you familiar with this KWL?
No.
So that's why I have it here on the screen, what you know, what you want to know, what you have learned. All right. So maybe, okay, based on your own revision, I'm sure you look through your own textbook, right? To find answers, correct or not? Okay. So can you tell me maybe just 2 things that you know after you read through the topic? For transport in living things.
I don't know if I have learned this topic before.
You probably have not, but while you are actually while you were actually doing your worksheets, I think you could have already flipped through some of the things, right?
I didn't read the textbook either.
You didn't read also. So what do you know about transport in living things? Now, this is also linked to primary school.
There are different systems.
Okay, transport system is one of them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In this particular topic, we do transport in humans. We also do transport in plants. Okay. So based on what you recall from primary school, can you tell me something about transport in plants?
There's the xylem and the phloem.
Very good.
For to transport water and the food.
And the food, right? Okay, very good. See, you remember, right? Transport in plants. What about in humans?
The circulatory system helps to transport digested food, oxygen, and other waste materials.
Wonderful. See, you do recall, right? Because in primary school, you already learned something. Now in science, it's always about accumulation of the knowledge. So in primary school, you learn very basic. Then in secondary school, you learn more. Okay, so you will revisit those topics, just like forces. You say you're doing forces down in school. I'm sure you have already learned some parts of it in primary school, right? And then the teacher will ask you certain questions and then you can recall. Am I right to say that?
Yes.
Okay. Isra, are you ready, Isra?
Yeah.
Hi, Isra. Do you mind turning your camera on?
Yeah, I'm trying to. Just give me a few minutes.
Okay, good. So Isra, you heard what I shared with Janet?
Not really.
Not really, yeah. Okay, we were talking about the transport system in living things. So it is more like for humans and for plants. And then we try to link back to what we have learned in primary school. Okay, so Janet already shared what she recalled. She said in plants, it's about the xylem and the phloem, transporting water, okay, transporting food. So I only need something like that. I don't need her to regurgitate everything she learned in primary school. Neither do I need that from you. So Isra, I don't think you're doing this topic in school also. Am I right to say that?
Yeah, no.
But have you revised? Did you look through the video?
No.
You didn't. You must try to make the effort to look through the video because it will help. Okay, so
Okay.
as I go through questions and I explain, you will understand further. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Isra or Israel? Isra. Isra and Janet. Is it okay? So today only 3 of us. I can get very personal with both of you. All right. So don't be shy to ask me questions. Don't be shy to stop me. Okay. Now, because Janet answered the first part, what she knows. Okay, so you also know the same thing, right? Transport in living things, plants, and human. Human is the circulatory system, she mentioned. So transportation of blood, okay? Transportation of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other waste products. So what do you want to know in this topic? Every lesson, I'll be asking the same thing. Okay, so next lesson, you have to come a little bit prepared. Okay, tell me about what you know, what you want to know, and then what you have learned, maybe later part of the tuition session. Okay. So Isra, I'm going to give you a chance, okay? I think maybe first time, you're also not ready. Janet as well, huh? I caught you unprepared, right, Janet? Okay, Janet didn't watch the video because she doesn't know there's a video to watch. So I already told her she needs to access it. Okay, every lesson just before you come for the tuition. So in the afternoon, let's say you end class already, you have gone home, then you can watch the video and do the work. Okay, or you do it on Saturday, Sunday. Is it okay? Right? Okay. Now, let's just go into question 1. So which of the following about the function of different parts of blood is correct? All right. You see, if you have not read the textbook, you have not watched the video, I think this can be quite difficult for you. Correct or not? Because you wouldn't know, what's white blood cell? I didn't learn this in primary school. Okay, red blood cell you did, right? Okay,
Yeah.
when we learn about blood, I'm sure your teacher spoke to you about red blood cells. Okay, what about platelet? You have not heard this also. What about plasma? It's not the plasma TV we are talking about. All right, it's a yellow fluid in the blood. Okay, so white blood cell, actually white blood cell to attack and destroy germs. Okay, so all substances that are foreign and harmful to us, the white blood cell will actually take action. All right, so the white blood cell will take action to attack and destroy them so we don't get sick. Okay, so red blood cell, red blood cell carries oxygen around the body. This one, any problem? No problem,
No.
right?
No.
So if you have your homework with you, is your homework in printed form? Not in printed form. So it's in soft copy form. Am I right to say that? You didn't print out, right? Nobody did, huh? Okay, it's okay. No worries. All right, so if you are going to look at this question again, they ask you which is correct. Yeah, we already have the answer, right? Which one is correct?
B.
Answer is
B.
B. Okay, then you will be asking, then what about platelet and the plasma? All right, what are their functions? Plasma actually forms the liquid part of the blood. Okay, and this is something you need to know. Okay, and the platelet helps to stop bleeding. Okay, so whenever you have any cuts, etc., okay, you know that your blood can clot, right? You will say blood clot, right? But it's because of the parts of the blood that helps in the clotting. Yeah, so now you know the answer, right? Okay, something that helps to stop the bleeding will actually do the job. Okay, however, over here, again, okay, answer is actually B. Now, question 2, plants have transport systems that consist of continuous tubes called xylem and phloem. Okay, which of the following shows the functions of xylem and phloem correctly? In primary school, okay, Janet knows the terms xylem and phloem. However, they are actually also known as certain tubes in primary school. Correct or not? Do you all still remember the terms?
Water
Yeah.
tubes.
Okay, Isra, you try answering for xylem first. What does the xylem do? What is it known as? What kind of tubes?
Water carrying tubes.
Very good. Okay, so fluent will be Janet.
Food carrying tubes.
Right. So quite simple, right? But then I know a lot of primary schools, the teachers also introduce these terms. When I was teaching in primary school, I introduced the terms to the students, but I told them that when they answer the question, they stick to water carrying tubes and food carrying tubes. Okay. So what does the xylem do? You said that it carries water, right? So where will the water move from? Is it from the leaves to all parts of the plant? Or is it from the roots to the rest of the plant? Okay, so if I were to look at this here. Go on now. Okay, so if you were to look at this part here, just now you identified xylem. It's the water carrying tubes. So this is already wrong, right? So you cross it out. You're left with option A and B, right? Where will water move from?
The roots.
The roots to the rest of the plants. Okay, good. Because water comes from the soil, right? So the roots will actually absorb water from the soil and then carry the water to the rest of the plant. Why is water important? Do you still remember? This you have to remember, okay, even for now, even in Sec 3 and 4, especially when you're taking biology. Why is water important?
To photosynthesize.
Very good. Okay, it's also for photosynthesis. So it's not just for survival, it's also for photosynthesis. Okay. So answer is A. So question 3, the small intestine is an organ because it is made up of, I think this is also in primary school, you know, organ is made up of something, right? Correct? Made up of tissue. Okay, then tissue made up of something. So you guys still remember this one or not? Then the many organs come together to also form another system, right? Not the human body system.
Yeah.
Okay, so for this one, the small intestine is an organ because it is made out of tissue. But which one over here will give the answer? Which one over here will give the answer? Any idea?
A.
A. Who says A?
Me.
Isra. Isra says
Yeah.
A. You must tell me your name because both your voice very soft also. Yeah. First lesson is like that. Okay, subsequent lesson, you will get more and more familiar with each other. Then you'll be more comfortable. Okay, so A, different types of tissue working together, and you're correct. Janet, did you get this right?
No, I put
What?
C.
You put down C. Many tissue carrying out different tasks. Okay, why did you put this one?
Because I know that like organ is made out of tissue, so I was choosing between A and C, but I didn't know which one, so I just randomly chose one.
Right, okay. I think you are thinking about, you know, each of them have their own roles and function. Am I right to say that?
Yeah.
Correct? But it's very risky, very dangerous to answer that way. Okay, so you don't try to answer like carrying out different tasks because the organ, for example, our heart organ, right? Heart organ, okay, heart has a specific function, correct? To pump blood. Agree? Okay, so the tissues that are working together will have kind of like similar kind of tasks. Okay, different but